So look, if you've been thinking about starting an LLC in Delaware, there's something you should know up front. A lot of people make this whole process way harder than it needs to be, and honestly, I get it. Because when you start digging into Delaware's rules, it suddenly feels like this huge pile of legal steps and forms you're somehow supposed to already understand. And that's where most people start getting overwhelmed, because you've got the name search, the Delaware Certificate of Formation, the registered agent requirement, the operating agreement, the EIN, and then Delaware throws in its own quirks that other states don't. And you're probably sitting there thinking, why does everyone say this is simple? So yeah, I completely understand the confusion. And that's exactly why I tell people they don't have to power through all of this alone. You don't need to spend hours Googling legal definitions or hoping the forms you filled out are correct. There's a much easier way, and that's using a formation service that guides you step by step instead of forcing you to decode government websites. And here's the part most people skip. After trying out multiple LLC services for my own businesses, there's one that consistently makes the whole process smoother, faster, and way less stressful. It's Taylor Brands. They walk you through everything in plain English, file your paperwork correctly, keep you compliant, and make sure nothing important gets missed. So yeah, if you want the easiest way to form a Delaware LLC without hiring a lawyer or spending your entire weekend figuring this out alone, use the Taylor Brands link in the description or pinned comment, because my link automatically applies the discount for you. So thanks for watching this video. I wanted to keep it short and helpful so you don't waste time on your Delaware LLC. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.